Guys, Daniel is being captured by PZ9 right now because they found out that he is a double agent. He actually just sent me his location, so I'm on my way to rescue him right now.
All right, Daniel. What we're gonna do? What? Don't touch me. What we're gonna do is a little remix on the whole exit ceremony.
I don't even know what an exit ceremony is.
Regina went through it, and here is my version.
I think I'm approaching the end of the tunnel. Gotta be really quiet, just in case Project Circle members are around. Oh, crap. Oh my gosh.
Yes, of course. That was my only way back into Project Zorgo.
I'm supposed to be the one who exposes people.
Well, I just exposing Project Zorgo.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Daniel is right over there. PZ9 is with him. I don't know what they're doing, but this place looks so strange and different. This is definitely not the regular Project Zorgo headquarters. This one is dark and does not look friendly at all.
Do you remember the flowers and the teddy bears I had you and Chad set up around the safe house?
Yeah, I thought that was really nice of you. Yeah, what was that?
Yeah, it was really nice because they were hidden cameras.
What?
What? The teddy bear and flowers that Chad gave me had hidden cameras on them? It's from PZ9? Well, gotta watch for him, man. Daniel is in so much trouble right now. I don't even know what PZ9 has up his sleeves.
You've been spying on us in the safe house all along?
Not all along. Right after I brought you here, I turned them on.
Oh my gosh. Oh, jeez, what?
I actually invited them to do a challenge with us.
A challenge?
Yes! For every challenge that they fail to complete, you will receive their punishment, Daniel.
They're really good spy ninjas, though. They don't really fail challenges that often. I bet they successfully aced them all.
Well, the first challenge I had them do is fruit basketball.
Fruit basketball? You make that up yourself? That's a dumb challenge.
Regardless, they made the basket, and I'm very impressed. But they tried to tamper with all of the cameras that I had you guys set up.
Oh, see, they're smart. They knew it.
I told them no funny business. And for that, you get your first challenge. You might want to take off that sweater. First of all, you're no longer part of Project Zorgo. Second,
guess you're right.
It's about to get toasty in here.
These things look stupid anyway. This is the real type of attire you want to wear.
Don't mess it up by puking all over it.
Puking all over?
Your first challenge. Dog food.
Dog food?
He has to eat dog food? What the heck is wrong with Project Zorgo? Regina PC4 was not lying. They do make you eat dog food here. Remember we did that challenge? Oh my gosh, this is so disgusting.
What do you want me to do with the dog food, PZ9?
Of course you're gonna eat it.
No, I'm not.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Okay, well, what was it? Rotisserie chicken flavor with bacon and cheese? Sounds pretty good.
It sounds good. The dog sure looks happy about it.
All right, whatever. You know what, PZ9? I'm not afraid of your little dumb challenges, okay? Just give me a spoon and I'll dig right in.
No spoon here. We're in the PZ basement. There's nothing here.
You want me to just eat this without a fork?
Come now. Everybody's getting bored.
Okay, fine. This won't be so bad. Oh, gosh. Oh, it's leaking already.
Oh, juicy.
Oh, I can smell it already just from a little.
Oh, yeah. Am I getting hungry too?
Oh, it's like bubbling.
Did he say there's bubbles?
Oh my gosh, PZ9.
Whoa. Look at all those new. Oh, that really smells something extra.
You're friggin' crazy, man.
This is too good to not share with everybody. I need a PZ member! Welcome, PZ. Foof? What was it? Foof. Foof. Alright, here you go. Take over. You can't miss this. What our boy here is about to eat is some delicious dog food. It's chicken with bacon and something else. We don't have the luxuries of a spoon or an eating utensil. And I just want you to take one big bite. We're gonna be here for a while, so you might as well fill up.
Hey! Bacon and cheese, I'm allergic to bacon and cheese.
That's delicious, in my opinion. Look at that. It looks like all the cheese and bacon are in this little gel middle, and then all the rotisserie chicken paste is here on the side.
All right, I get it. It's gonna be disgusting.
I don't know, my mouth is watering.
Mine too.
Eat up, big boy.
Eat up, big boy.
All right, I'm just gonna take a lick just to kind of get an idea of what it tastes like.
Oh! You call that a bite, Daniel? No, take a bite with your teeth.
Okay, calm down. I'll do it. Squeeze it out of the carton.
Oh yeah, take a nice little bite of that.
Okay, here I go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
He just bit the whole entire thing. What is wrong with him? And Daniel's so brave.
Wow.
Oh, it's so bad. I'm crying. PZ9. Oh gosh. What the heck, PZ9? That was horrible.
I think you did pretty good. You should go grab him a napkin.
That was the grossest thing. I feel like I'm gonna get sick.
Get him a water too or something. That's only the first challenge. We got so many more to go.
I thought I could do it. I really thought I could do it.
Hey, that was a big bite.
I gotta save Daniel. It's just painful just thinking about it.
All right,
that was horrible. Can I leave now? I get it. I'll never betray you guys again.
well, let's see how your friends did on the second challenge. Where's that PZ Poomp?
I'm here.
All right, here, take over. The next challenge I gave your friends was the Twin Telepathy Challenge.
They can do any challenge. They probably succeeded.
Not the Twin Challenge, not without cheating. They cheated big time. And for that, you have another punishment.
Oh gosh.
PZ member, I need a glass of water.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, that'll wash down the dog food. Sting, man. Calm down.
What I have here is a TENS unit. Stands for Transcutaneous Electrical Nervous Stimulation.
What are they gonna do to him? I can't even hear what the device is. Oh my gosh, PZ9 is so tricky.
Open your palm, hold the cup, and don't spill any water.
This is gonna be stimulating.
I don't know what this thing's gonna do to me. It's gonna shock me?
You'll find out.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
You guys,
don't spill. Are you ready?
Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm about to witness.
I'm gonna turn it up.
Oh God! Oh, it's so weird. Oh.
Do you feel it?
Oh, it's so weird.
You feel the energy?
It's like pulsating through my whole body. Oh, my muscles are like tensing up. Oh.
Well, you're not spilling that much. You're doing pretty good. Let's crank it up.
Oh.
I'm turning it all the way to maximum. Let's go!
Stop!
Okay.
He just spilled some water on him.
Hey, look at his pants! He beat his pants! Look!
Hey, you're the pants peer, man. You're always peeing your pants.
Not today! Excellent.
Peed his pants? No, PZ9's the one that pees his pants, not Daniel.
Yeah, you made a big mess.
Yeah, I did.
We gotta clean it up. Don't go anywhere, because the party has just started.
All right, have fun cleaning this up. If you did this to yourselves, I'm not helping.
Daniel, no, it's me.
You saw my text message.
I did. What is this place?
I don't know. I think this is like the basement of their headquarters or something.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you're all wet and you ate that dog food. That is so disgusting.
It was pretty gross, but you know what? I'm a tough spy ninja. I can do it. These challenges, they're not even that bad. I can handle it.
Yeah, let's get out of here though.
Okay, yeah, let's go. Okay.
Let's go.
I think being with the spy ninja just turned him into a pansy. He's such a pansy.
We gotta hide. Okay.
Damn it.
Hey, I was just stretching my legs, that's all. Nothing to see.
Sit down, Daniel. Intermission's over.
not see me. I'm gonna be crawling through this cardboard box here. I'm gonna hide inside it because I'm totally exposed.
Keep him coming. I could do this all day.
Let me tell you about your friends. I subjected them to the floor's lava challenge. Do you know what happened, Daniel?
It kind of seems like they keep failing. Did they fail again? I bet they didn't.
Yeah! They passed it.
Yes, of course they did. They're the best spy ninjas in the game.
Chad and Regina passed the floor's lava challenge. That's great.
They've had lots of practice with the floor's lava challenge. They're real good. No challenge for me then, right? Am I free to leave?
No.
Okay.
You're doing good. You're doing good, Daniel.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun. Call these challenges?
Well, let's make this quick. I gotta go to VidCon soon.
VidCon, that's right. He's gonna have like 10,000 YouTubers.
The fourth and final challenge I gave your beloved friends is Fortnite Dance Battle.
Yes, they're not that good at that.
You wanna know how good they are at it? They once again had to cheat, and they used the VID.
Gotta give it to them though, that's pretty clever.
It's clever, but it's cheating, and your punishment. Slime hair gel.
Hey, I already put stuff in my hair today, guys. No.
Oh, this is some really good hold.
Yeah, it might be too good of a hold. What if it's in my hair for the rest of my life?
Well, you better style it nicely then.
They're gonna pour slime on his hair.
I might have to become bald after this, guys. This is too harsh. You know what, fine. Maybe I can rock the bald look. I'll do it. I don't care.
You better not lose his hair because of the slime. PC's 9 is gonna pay for this.
I mean, we could have made you eat cat food. Slime hair gel. Apply it to your hair.
You think I'm just gonna like scream like a little delicate flower? Well, I got news for you, PZ members. I'm a spy ninja. All right. Hey, dude, knock it off. Okay.
Oh, would you look at that?
Time to put in my hair. Yes, I know. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! You are out of line!
That's funny, right?
That thing just bounced off his face.
Good one, Daniel. He threw the slime at the hacker. That was awesome, Daniel.
Okay, here, I'm sorry for that. I was just trying to be funny. Oh! Dude, almost in my mouth. What the heck? I'll just put it in my hair, okay.
Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness.
Oh no, you have great hair. They're gonna ruin it. What are you gonna do now? Oh, good thing you still got your nice eyebrows, man.
Here I go.
Wow, that's so much.
Ew.
Goodness
Yeah,
gracious.
see? It's fine. It probably looks pretty good, huh? It's like I dyed my hair green.
These nice, beautiful girls.
Yeah, see, it probably looks pretty cool. Green hair. I'm a spy ninja, I'm not afraid of anything. Okay. All right.
It's never ending. It just keeps going.
Okay, look. There. We're good. What's the next challenge? It's funny, right? Yeah. Ha. Yeah.
Don't you look so amazing, Daniel?
Yeah. I mean, I can't see myself, but I feel like I look pretty cool.
What are you looking at, Daniel?
Huh? What? Oh, I was just looking around the room. I was trying to look for a mirror to see myself.
What is it? Is somebody else in here?
Oh my gosh. I think PC9 saw Daniel looking at me. We've been making eye contact this whole entire time. He's gonna start looking around the room. He's gonna find out where I am. I'm hiding in this box right now.
Who, you think you got a spy ninja in here?
No. Whoa! PZ9, calm down, man. There could have been another PZ member in there or something.
Well, there's no one in there. No one in that one. Come on, Daniel. Why don't you just tell me? Is somebody in here or not?
Nobody's in here, man. Can we do some more challenges maybe? Can we pour like maybe some eggs or something?
No, because that's inhumane. Inhumane.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Is he gonna go around and crush all the boxes? He has anger issues. He's gonna crush me. He's getting closer. I can feel his presence.
Hey. What? Just stop, man, okay? Enough of the funny business. I'll never mess with you guys again. It's over. Let's just get out of here. No. Easy, no. That's it. No.
Okay, well I guess I'm just overreacting. Maybe there's no one in any of these boxes.
Oh my gosh, P9, why did you do that?
What, crush some boxes? Well, I hope you had a lot of fun, because I did too. Hate to make this quick, but I gotta go to VidCon. I got some YouTubers to hack.
Okay, yeah, just get out of here, man. Go!
Alright, PZ members, help me get set.
Go. V! Oh, your camera. Oh my gosh, V! Oh. V? Hey, V? Are you okay in there? V? Oh no! V, are you okay?
Oh gosh.
You're good?
Pull me out. Pull me out.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
You're okay.
I'm okay.
I thought he crushed you. He stepped right on that box.
He nearly did. It was a very close call. But good thing I'm a tester tiny spy ninja.
Well, good job. I think they left. They said they're gonna go hack VidCon. They're on their way right now.
What?
Yeah.
We gotta get there. Let's get a VidCon. We gotta go there, Daniel.
We gotta go there like as soon as we...
Oh no. Someone's coming.
The door's opening.
Oh no. Hey.
Oh, what the heck? Daniel, I'm so sorry that we failed those challenges. I know. Guys, why'd you have to fail so many challenges? Okay, where's PZ9?
I don't know. He left to VidCon, so we need to get there. He's in control right now, so we need to stop him, Chad.
He's gonna hack tens of thousands of YouTubers. We need to stop him.
Yeah. Okay, let's go right now.
Go.